Hello everyone, welcome Juneline's Kitchen. Today my recipe is cheddar sausage with potato and spinach. Mao na ahong ingredients: sausage, patatas, kamatis bombay, ug amoy unsay Bisayaan ang spinach. Ang nonol manatog alugbati. Okay guys, I already cut them up. So those are my cilantro, onion, tomato, and garlic, and I soaked the potato so it won't discolor, and I cut the potato on a bite size, just like that, and I soaked my spinach with a little bit of salt. That's how I cut my sausage, bite size like that too. Looks like everything's ready, so I'm gonna be cooking in a little bit. It's a bite-sized portion. Looks good. Pan is ready and I put a little butter, and then initon jud na kay aron mo melt. Okay, garlic, spread them, onion, fry them up a little bit. Humot na jud. Tomato. Mix them well. Potatoes. Mix them up. Sprinkle salt and black pepper, a little bit, and then a little sprinkle of garlic powder. It's gonna add flavor to it. Checking it back. Make sure the humok-humok na ang patatas. I put the sausage. Mix them all up so masagol ang lasa. Check na po. Mix well. Try one piece of it if it's humok na, and add up the spinach or alugbati ba na, kamunay bahala ha. Isagol na food. Okay gamay. Ayo palabi kay malata ang utan. adjust the fire to medium heat kay aron di malata. Hala, kagwapa na jud. Look. Healthy jud siya kay daghang alugbati ba. Yummy. And I like to sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese kay mosamot og kalami. Mao na siya. You wanna try? It's delicious, guys. Salamat sa pagtanaw.